Hello Fury Flip fans, welcome back to Fury Flips. We just bought this giant ice cream truck from our generation and it has a bunch of sets.
And we're going to do an unboxing video today, and then I'll show you all the items of it. As you can tell, you have a lot of items in this ice cream set. I'm just going to go through all of them and show you what it comes with. We have 3 slushies. One is lime, blueberry, and cherry. Next we have 3 push pops, grape, and raspberry. 3 almost like Starbucks coffee cups, and they're for the cup dispenser that is here. So that's what that is. Next, you got a really good looking banana split with like that cherry on top, and it is just working the camera. And those are some really long bananas. And it looks yummy. It looks like that's an Oreo Blizzard. Banana crunch. That looks amazing. Got some cute little lollipops that are mint flavored, and it looks like banana strawberry flavored. Yeah, that looks really yummy, doesn't it? So next you have little sundaes with the drizzle. So the chocolate one gets a chocolate drizzle. The caramel sundae gets the caramel drizzle. And the strawberry drizzle goes on the strawberry sundae. You have 2 almost like drumsticks from the brand, and they're really cute. And I just love how they look exactly like the drumsticks in real life. Next, for your little freezer, you have some ice cubes to keep your ice cream nice and cool. Next, you have these cute little milkshakes, one is a raspberry flavored, and the other is a mint flavored milkshake, which I'm pretty sure those both taste really yummy. Next, we have some salt-covered pretzels. We have 3 of them, and they just look so realistic. Now I want to eat some pretzels. Next we have the delicious ice cream flavors. Oh, my mouth is watering. We have a vanilla flavored, a chocolate flavored, a banana flavored, a blueberry flavored, grape flavored, and a strawberry flavored. Yummy! Next we have some really delicious snow cones. Some of them, 3 of them, are rainbow snow cones, and the other 3 are either raspberry or strawberry. Next we have some really delicious split popsicles where you can just break it in half and give it to your best friend or someone that's near you. We have a raspberry flavored one, an orange flavored one, and I think a lime flavored. Next we have some money that you can pay the ice cream trucker in. So you have 3 $20 bills and 3 $10 bills, which is pretty ridiculous because I do not think ice cream is that expensive. But unless you're with like a squad, then that would make sense. Next we have some coins. First we have a 10-cent one, a 5-cent one, and a 25-cent one for change. Now, an overload of yumminess is coming. So right now we have 5 different flavored popsicles. So we have the flavor of raspberry and blueberry, coconut and banana, just raspberry, grape, and peppermint. It's actually probably coconut, but it just looks like peppermint because of the specks. And we have 3 of each flavor, so that's gonna be really yummy if you come by our ice cream truck. Next we have some really yummy sundaes. This one looks like it's a fudge sundae with chocolate ice cream and chocolate drizzle. This one looks like a strawberry sundae with strawberry drizzle and strawberry ice cream. This one looks like a vanilla and caramel. The ice cream flavor is French vanilla and caramel drizzle on the top. Next we have some yummy donuts. So this looks like it's vanilla flavored with a vanilla donut. This one looks like mint flavored with a chocolate donut. This one looks like raspberry with jelly filled. Yum, yum, yum! Next, I think we're in for a treat. We've got some chocolate and raspberry popsicles. And chocolate and French vanilla popsicles. These are all for all you healthy freaks out there. Next, we've got some really cute, almost like Cinnabons in a deep fryer. And then we also have the deep fryer claws, so you can take them out and put it on a tray for display. We have this really cute napkin dispenser. You can just pull a napkin if you drop something on your shirt, or if you just need to wipe your face. Ooh, these look yummy, yummy, yummy. I think we have some blueberry ice cream with cherry on top. Oh my goodness. And I think this is chocolate with pink sprinkles and a cherry on top. Oh my goodness. Come to our ice cream truck and you can get these yummy, yummy treats.
Now we have this little ice cream cone that's probably grape flavor. And it's in a waffle cone. Now we have these little cups which hold the little spoons, just like it says in the manual. Now we have these trays that are used to hold things like donuts yet again. We have this spoon which is used for scooping the ice cream.
Next we've got 3 little ice creams. One's vanilla and peach, one's peach.
Now we have these little trays that are used to bring out your food on. Now we have these chocolate and vanilla flavored popsicles, but they do have nuts in them. That's what those weird little bumps are. So if you are allergic to almonds or peanuts, just like me, then do not eat these.
I have a little bell that's really pretty and it's adorable. Ding, ding, ding. Your food's ready. Julia. Also got a little froyo can. It's a grape flavored froyo and it's in one of those bowls I showed you guys.
Now we have these 2 containers of sprinkles that are chocolate sprinkles and rainbow sprinkles. My favorite.
Next you've got a cute little straw container. You've got 2 little ice cream sandwiches.
So this is the actual truck itself. As you can see, it's like a teal minty color, and it's really pretty color actually. And the wheels are a pink color, kind of magenta-ish pink color. And the mirrors on the side are silver that are actual reflecting mirrors, and they do move. And there is a window here. It's not really a window. You can go through the other side. And there's a little working chalkboard here that actually does work. You can actually draw things on the chalkboard. And if you go to the back, there is a little door that doesn't open. It's just for show. It's a little air vent thingy here. And there are little lights on the back, and when you push the brake, the lights turn on. And if we move to this side, we'll have the kind of display window where basically they'll come up to you and say, look up to you at the window. Person will come up and say, what would you like? You say, I want a sundae. And they'll be like, okay, here you go. Then you'll give the money and walk away. This is another door that's just for show because it doesn't open. Here's the window, the rear view mirrors again. And something cool about this is this little roof section that opens and turns into a little patio with a little counter. And there are these 2 stools that you can put here and have people sit at the counter.
Which is completely because like the truck can just move. Like you wouldn't even have time to sit down. It can't just sit there for like 10 minutes. It has to move along to its other street and you could like fall. So our generation didn't think that over too well.
Yeah, unless it's like outside of school or something. But yeah. So that is pretty cool. And moving to the front, there are headlights that do work with a button. We'll show you that button in a minute. And whenever you turn the steering wheel, the side you turn it to will start blinking, showing that you are turning. The other side does the same thing. And you just let go of the wheel, and it'll stop blinking eventually. And the windshield wipers work too. The windshield wipers work too. Here's a little button that makes them go. And also, you know, you can't get an ice cream truck without the music. So, it plays music. And now moving to the inside of the truck, I'm going to take off the roof so that there's more space. So that we can actually see the whole thing. Now, here's the button that turns on the music. Here's the one that turns on the headlights. And here's the one that does the steering, not the steering wheel, the windshield wipers. Here's the steering wheel that turns. And this is a thing that opens, but what's annoying is you have to put tape on there, otherwise it just stays open. Yeah. And also, they just shoved the sticker on there thinking that it wouldn't ruin anyone's life. But now there's just this random sticker here. And it's so not annoying at all. And down here is the brake that turns on the lights in the back. And here's the go pedal and the stop pedal. Here's a seat that turns, kind of. It says it swivels, but not very well. And then right here, where the camera is where you put the ice cream flavors. You can get the ice cream flavor and you put it there. Here's the sink. The thing turns. Then the little handle thingy turns there too. And then over here is where you put the deep fryer thingy. And underneath the deep fryer thingy is, sorry, we're really struggling to record this. Here, I got it. It's a little, hold on, ready? There's a little thingy. Storage. Here's the fridge. Sorry. Fridge. Here's the freezer. Here, I got it. Then over to the side there is a little more storage. And yeah, there's a little cup dispenser thingy. You put the cups in. And yeah, that's the truck.